Hello, welcome to this beautiful one-bedroom apartment in Astoria. When you first walk in, you will see the open kitchen. From the open kitchen, you will see the living room. At the kitchen, you have granite countertop, dishwasher, and plenty of cabinet space. To the right of the kitchen and right from the entrance, there is the bathroom. In-unit washer and dryer, and beautiful marble tiles around the bathtub. A small closet next to the entrance. Continue to the left is the bedroom. Here you have a huge closet, almost the width of the room. The bedroom has an oversized window and is facing the backyard, so it's very quiet. From the living room window, you can see the backyard. It's facing south, so you get plenty of sunshine. And from living room, you can step out to the balcony. The balcony is outside the bedroom. So here you get your private outdoor space. You can also access the rooftop, the backyard, which has a nice grill, and storage locker downstairs in the basement.